Okay, here it is. Here's the little turbine washer thing going. It's doing an agitating cycle right now. It does an agitating cycle and a vibrating cycle. It comes with a cube and the USB thingy. You just plug it in and it starts going. And there it is, spinning around all the clothes in there. Here's the box. Comes with instructions. Comes with a cube. Very cool product. I'll definitely be using this every time we go camping. You can't wash very big clothes with it, but you can do, underwear, tank tops, bras, that sort of stuff. 5 stars, definitely.
There you have it. And you wash it. Yeah. It works pretty good. These masks, they're filthy. You gotta pull it out a little bit. Yes, move it. It does a good job. Hot water in here. Great device. I don't have to scrub with my hands. Just pull it out. I'm sensitive to detergent, especially when I'm rubbing. And this item definitely helps. Put some soap. Put some soap.
Okay, so it's washed my dishes. I got them in there with my pans. It makes a soft noise, and then it'll make a loud noise. I bought this off Amazon. My daughter tried it, and I wanted to try it to see if it'll wash my dishes. There's a noise that it makes to get all the grime off your dishes, and it really works. This is my second load.